Now it's time to taste a traditional regional recipe. I can't wait. I'm meeting Bruno, the chef from Tenuta Il Sassone, to show me how to make this dish with regional ingredients.
We also treat our guests well at the table with regional fares. The recipe I'll show you how to make is called papa al pomodoro. It's a very simple dish. It's a peasant food. The ingredients are tomato sauce, garlic, olive oil, and lots of love. Add the olive oil, garlic and tomato sauce to a saucepan, all cold. When the tomato sauce has started to boil, add stale unsalted Tuscan bread cut into cubes. After cooking for 10 minutes, remove from the heat and leave to cool. It's called papa, meaning mush, because you end up with a mushy tomato soup. I present it with a modern touch. I form balls of tomato, which you can do using an ice cream scoop. Once the balls have been prepared, cook them in the oven at 100 degrees Celsius for 5 to 6 minutes. While they're cooking in the oven, make the mozzarella sauce. Use buffalo mozzarella from Maremma and add olive oil, salt and pepper. Blend all this together until you obtain a mild sauce, which can be added using a bottle or a spoon. Once the tomato balls are cooked, the dish is ready to be plated up. Place 3 tomato balls on the plate, add the mozzarella sauce, a few basil leaves. I crisp them up a little. Add a chickpea flour wafer, and to give it a personal touch, I make an infusion of olive oil and ceps to add a little extra flavor to the papa al pomodoro. And the dish is ready. I recommend trying this dish in our restaurant.